Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another Felicity Red video with Mr. Dale Soucier the Man. As you know, if you've seen the vlog that I posted yesterday, or if you saw my most recent community post, I found two surprises on the side of the road yesterday. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of those surprises. I'll show you the other surprise later on. But yeah, one of the surprises that I found yesterday was a new vacuum cleaner. Yes, this is a new vacuum cleaner of mine. This is a Hoover Savvy. It is a bagless upright. It's a bagless twin chamber system. See, this is a bagless twin chamber. This top comes off, and it's got a filter inside here, which this slides out. It's kind of hard to slide it out, but that comes out like that. See? Then you put this back on when you're done. And then that goes right back on the vacuum. It comes with 3 attachments. It's got an upholstery tool, a turbo brush, and the dusting brush. All these attachments seem to work great. It's got the on and off switch up here. It's got carpet, bare floor, and the off settings on here. Looking at the bottom of it, it has the height adjustment right here. It's got the dirt finder. It's pretty much the same thing as my Bissell Rewind Smart Clean's clean carpet sensor. It lights up red when it's dirty, and it lights up green when it's clean. It's got a headlight right down here. It's got an on and off brush roll button on it. So I'm gonna give you a demo on how that works. I'm actually gonna give this vacuum a run. I'm gonna show you how it works. Oh yeah, it's also got a stretch hose right here. Let me show you. Here's the hose. Oh yeah, and this is also the reason why this was probably thrown away. The handle release does not work. So this thing can very easily fall over. But yeah, it does work pretty good. I'm going to give you a demo on that right now. I'll show you how well this thing works. So yeah, enjoy. I'll run it without the brush roll on first, and then I'll give it a run with the brush roll on. I'll give you a demo, so here it is. That brush roll is pretty loud, not gonna lie. It's the only thing I don't like, but I mean, it works. I'm trying to get it to run with the vacuum and the brush roll on at the same time. That's a little too loud. But anyways, that's just a quick overview of the vacuum, so I hope you enjoyed it. It looks like it picked up some stuff too. That's pretty cool. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video on my new Hoover Savvy. Stay tuned for more videos on this thing in the future, and yeah, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Also, I'll show you my other surprise. That's my new telephone right here. I'm making a video. Ha 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 ha. So yeah, guys, have an awesome rest of your day. I'll talk to you later.